For example 7, we're going to be solving equations using the distributive property. What we need to do here is to multiply the numbers outside the brackets by every term inside the bracket in order to get rid of the brackets and then to be able to solve our equation for x. For a, we're going to multiply 2 by 3.7. 2 times 3.7 is 7.4. 2 times x is 2x, and we have our plus sign in between. That's equal to 13.2. Now we're going to use our inverse operations. The opposite of adding 7.4 is subtracting 7.4. And if you take something away from one side, you have to take it away from the other. That makes a zero pair, and we get 2x is equal to 5.8, because 13.2 take away 7.4 is 5.8. The inverse of multiplying by 2 is dividing by 2. Our 2's cancel, and x is equal to 2.9. For example B, we work it out the exact same way, even though the equation is reversed. So this time we're going to say 6 equals 1.5 times x is 1.5x, and 1.5 times 6 is 9, and this time we have a minus sign in between them. The opposite of subtracting 9 is adding 9, so those make a zero pair. 6 plus 9 is 15, and that's equal to 1.5x. The inverse of multiplying by 1.4 is dividing by 1.5, Divide by 1.5 on both sides. That crosses out, and x is equal to 10. For example C, 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 5 is 15, and that's equal to 2. Again, we're going to add 15 to both sides to make that a zero pair. 3x equals 17. The inverse of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. And I'll move over here. X is equal to 17 over 3. And we're going to leave that as a fraction.